Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And for those that are new, my name is John, and this is a channel dedicated to bringing you all of life's personal finance cheat codes. In this particular video, I'm going to describe for you the top 5 beginner credit cards for anyone looking to get into the game. Now keep in mind, all of these cards are going to come with a $0 annual fee, meaning they are 100% free to open and hang on to. A quick pro tip for those of you that might be interested to start opening credit cards for things like free flights in hotels or even cash back. This game, it's a marathon, not a sprint, meaning start slow and have an effective card strategy in place. I myself have been doing this since 2013, but when I opened my first card in 2013, it was really just that. It was my first card, and it was to understand how to use a credit card effectively. Things like making payments on time and in full. Over time, as I got more comfortable and really learned the rules, I was able to scale up. And so a couple years after 2013, over a period of 12 months, I opened about 16 credit cards and amassed over 1 million points. If you're interested in how I use those points, I'll drop a link up here. TLDR, international, long haul, business, and first class flights. Things that would cost $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, I paid almost next to nothing for. Even though I amassed 1 million points and I pretty much spent 1 million points, you can see here that I still keep a pretty healthy balance of points on hand, ensuring that I basically never have to pay for a flight or a hotel ever again. Of course, you're not gonna get here today, you're not gonna get here tomorrow, or really even next week. It's going to take some time. But nonetheless, this video, in providing you the top 5 beginner credit cards, helps to lay the foundation, similar to the way I did, of understanding how to effectively manage a credit card so that if you should decide to scale up to do what I do, then you'll know exactly how to handle it. And of course, if you have questions or comments, please drop it in the section below. I'm always happy to help and chat about credit cards. Cool, let's go ahead and dive right in. The first card on the list is the Discover It. This one brings back some memories for me. I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the earlier cards that I ever had, and it was an absolute workhorse for me when I first got it. The current sign-up bonus is actually a match of all of your cash back that you earn in the first year. The earnings on this card are actually across rotating categories. Things like grocery, restaurants, wholesale clubs, Amazon.com, just to name a few. And so when you spend at those particular categories, in that particular quarter, you'll get a 5% cashback bonus. All other purchases will earn 1% cash back. And then, as a result of the sign-up bonus, at the end of the year, they took a look at all the cash back you earn and match it and give it back to you. Discover It allows you to keep track of exactly where your credit profile stands by giving you a free FICO score. Anecdotally, what I see online is Discover is one of the easier credit cards to open, especially if you're just starting out or you're a beginner. Even though the required FICO is around 680 and above, across most of the beginner cards, Discover tends to be one of the more lenient banks. A cool bonus of a Discover card is that it comes with no foreign transaction fees. Of course, Discover's acceptance internationally can be spotty, but nevertheless, for a card that has no annual fee and having no foreign transaction fee, that could be a bonus if you travel a decent amount. Next up, we have the Bank of America Customized Cash Card. It comes with a sign-up bonus of $200 after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. And when it comes to the earnings rate, you will earn 3% cash back on one of these selected categories, and that would be across gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, home improvement, or furnishings. 2% cashback at grocery as well as wholesale stores, and 1% cashback across all others. Now that's pretty unique. You'll be able to elect which particular category you think you'll earn the most cashback. A bonus of the Bank of America Customized Cash Card is that if you're enrolled in Bank of America's Preferred Rewards program, you can actually get a 25% cashback bonus every year. Now, to enroll in the Preferred Rewards program, you need to have a checking account with the Bank of America, and you need to have $25,000 in qualifying average monthly deposits going into that account. That could seem like a hefty fee for most, but if you're already doing checking with Bank of America and you do have that coming in, you might as well elect to enroll in the program because it's completely free and it gives you a 25% boost. The Bank of America Customized Cash lets you keep track of exactly where you are in your credit journey by providing a free FICO score. Next card we have is the Citi Double Cash. The Citi Double Cash comes with a $200 bonus after spending $750 in the first 3 months. And when it comes to earnings, the Citi Double Cash earns 5% cash back on whatever category that you spend the most on in one billing cycle, up to $1,000. And those categories can be restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, select streaming services, drugstores, home improvement stores, fitness clubs, and live entertainment. That's pretty unique because you don't actually have to pick, unlike the Bank of America card where you're spending the most. You just go ahead and spend, and they'll automatically take a look at where you spend the most and give you a 5% cashback bonus on that particular category. The card will also earn 1% cashback across all other categories. Now, I really like this because say you might have just recently bought a home or you're doing some home improvement. I feel like the home improvement category is not well covered by a lot of cards. So say in a month that you spend a ton of money at either Home Depot or Lowe's, why not get 5% cash back on that? This card I really love for the flexibility. The Citi Custom Cash allows you to keep track of exactly where you are in your credit journey by providing a free FICO score. Next, we have the Chase Freedom Flex. This card earns $200 after spending $500 within the first 3 months. In addition, you will earn 5% cash back on all category spend within grocery for the first year. The Chase Freedom Flex is very similar to Discover It, in which you're gonna earn 5% cash back across bonus categories every quarter. They rotate between things like restaurants, grocery stores, online shopping, just to name a few. In addition, you'll earn 5% on travel purchased directly through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services, 3% on drugstore purchases, and 1% on all others. For the Chase Freedom Flex, you will earn 5% cash back on Lyft rides through March of 2022. What I really like about the Chase Freedom Flex is the ability to pool points. Earlier I mentioned that it's all about strategy. This is a marathon. And so when we think about Chase, it has actually a really good array of cards that complement one another. And so when you start scaling up, you can get their mid-tier and premium cards such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. In doing so, you can pool all of the points from your Chase Freedom to the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve and redeem for a higher bonus category. That right there is strategy. The final card is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited comes with a sign-up bonus of $200 after spending $500 in the first 3 months. It also comes with a 5% cashback bonus on the grocery category within the first year of spend. In contrast, the Chase Freedom Flex, the Chase Freedom Unlimited earns 1.5% cashback across all categories. It will also earn 5% on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services, and 3% on drugstore purchases. For the Chase Freedom Unlimited, you will earn 5% cash back on Lyft rides through March 2022. And of course, exactly like the Chase Freedom Flex, the Chase Freedom Unlimited has the bonus of combining points with other Chase cards once you start scaling out your credit card portfolio. And that's it. Those are the top 5 starter cards that I would recommend for beginners. Now, any questions or comments, drop in the section below and let me know. If you're just starting out in the world of credit cards, happy to talk through things and better understand what exactly your end objectives are. And if there's any way I can help, I am more than happy to. Again, my name is John. It's been What Card Wednesday, and I will catch you next Wednesday. Peace.